A simple story that I want to share with you. It will change your life. It will make you creative, confident, honest, and brave. I was present in class 6A. I observed that two students were discussing about their fears. I said in anger, "Come out. Why do you disturb me?" One student said, "Sir, I am fearful of everything that comes in my life. Sir, when someone shouts, I always feel shivering." I took my mobile phone and said, "Look at this picture." It was a picture of a cat. It was looking down into water to see its reflection. One by one, students came and they saw that it was a cat. They shouted and witnessed that it was a cat. When I observed that everyone said that it was a cat, I said, "Look at this reflection." They were surprised and shocked. In reflection, cat was not present, but it was a lion, brave, roaring lion. I said, everything is your mindset. If you think you are fearful, then you are. If you are brave just like a lion, then you are. You should remember in your life that you have to live like a lion, brave, honest, and confident.